Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we're going to see how to integrate logarithmic functions. Firstly, let's recall the derivative of ln x. We know that the derivative of ln x is 1 on x. But what about its integral? To solve this, we use a powerful method called integration by parts. The formula is integral of fx g x dx equals fx gx minus integral fx gx dx. We choose fx equals ln x and gx equals 1, so gx is x. Now applying the formula, integral ln x dx equals x ln x minus integral of 1 x prime dx. So x ln x minus integral 1 dx and x ln x minus x plus c. The final result is integral ln x dx equals x ln x minus 1 plus c. Now to integrate the log base 10, we know log x equals ln x on ln 10. So integral log x dx equals 1 on ln 10 integral ln x dx. So it equals 1 on ln 10 x ln x minus 1 plus c. So integral ln x dx equals x ln x minus 1 plus c for log base 10 divided by ln 10 for expressions like ln 2x plus 3 use substitution. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.